We start with play,
then we get precise. Extreme aerial productions. Film and TV, smooth moves, safe sets. Construction tracking, clarity your team can use. Survey and engineering, photogrammetry, thermal, clean deliverables. Safety first, permits handled, fully insured. We plan the airspace so your risk stays on the ground. We show up early, help where it matters, and make your day easier. Arizona and Nevada, on time, on point. Don't take our word for it. Hear it from the people we serve. We love this work. Our word is our bond. Ready when you are? See the reviews? Let's fly.